Very difficult to understand. What is the meaning of Rasa Raj Mahabhav? Rasa Raj.
Where's the mic?
The Ras means it translates to mellow. Rasa Raj. Akila Rasamrita Sindhu Pasimata Rujuruddhata Raptaraka Pali Kalita Sama Lalito Radha Prayano Dorija. Akila Rasamrita Sindhu is called the endless divine ocean of love. Akila Rasamrita Sindhu पश्चिम में जो रुद्रुज तारका परी काल कलित श्यामा ललितो राधा प्रयाण विदुर जय और श्रीमती राधिका she is called महाभाव स्वरूप प्रेमेर स्वरूप प्रेमेर जो भाव भावेर सा महाभाव और महाभाव स्वरूपिणी Radha. Premer sar bhav. The essence of love, that is called bhav. Mood. And essence of mood, that is called mahabhav. Or mahabhav sarvani Srimati Radha. So Premer sar bhav. It will make one very nice, beautiful, and what is called? Sweet. Sweet. That sweet. Only sugar.
Yes.
That is the real sugar. No, only sugar. You can make one doll with the sugar. Sugar doll. But that inside nothing, anything, no any kinds of other ingredients, only sugar. You understand?
Yeah.
So, if you touch that the sugar doll, touch feet also same taste. You touch the head, any limbs body of the doll, sweet. Because everything is made by the sugar, not other ingredients. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she is called Prema Sarupini. Only Prem is there. Prem Sarupini Srimati Radhika. Premer Sarup Bhav, Bhaver Sar Mahabhav, or Mahabhav Sarupini Radha Thakuran. Krishna is the three is there. Sat Chit Ananda. Krishna is Sachidananda. Or Srimati Radhika? Only Prema, Ananda, Prema Sarupini. Premanandi. Prema Anandi. And that body completely what? Manifested by the Prem. Ananda, full of bliss. Not other than this. That is called Premanandi. What do you say? Prema Anandi. That Ananda, full of bliss, not another thing. So saying this, Premer Sarup Bhav, Bhaver Sar Mahabhav, Mahabhav Sarupini Radha Thakuran. But here the Premer Sar Bhav, Mahabhav, Prem, this is what actual Srimati Radhika, she is called embodiment of Madanakka Mahabhav. Madanakka Mahabhav Sarupini Radha Rani. This is that. For the Krishna, even he cannot understand what is the Mahabhav, what is it called? Madanakka Mahabhav.
What does Madanakya mean? What does Madanakya mean?
Madanakya means that where is the they pray more and more condensed form. As like if you boil the milk, the milk condense, then different give name. Condensed milk. Different name coming. Milk, same milk. Then you boiling, rabdi, different names. Not putting anything. In the same way, prem, love, more and more condensed. That is called Madhanakka Mahabhava. How do you try to understand this? If I tell you how to understand. There is, there are many explained in this way. Prem actually depends on two things. One is called Milan and another Viraha. Meeting and separation and meeting. That is called the love is coming. Because transcendental things you cannot express in any words. But if you, because they have higher stage in there. And so for there are many definitions of love. General definition of love is what? Ananya mamata Vishnu mamata prema sangata. Prahlada Bhishma Naradika. These are things. Prem actually depends on these two things. Ananya mamata. Ananya mamata Vishnu mamata prema sangata. Ananya mamata. Anu means one pointed possessiveness towards Krishna. They are Vishnu. Vishnu means Krishna. Ananya mamata Vishnu mamata prema sangata. So these are things. So this prema is coming. Then prema, another definition coming. Different stage also. Our high stage of prema, that is called prema sarvata dhangsa adhangsattam. Even the reason will come to destroy the love, that love will be never destroyed. That will more and more increase. Sarvatha dhangsa rahita. So this is the process. Sneha, man, pranay, rag, anurag, bhav, mahabhav. Then different stages. As like same milk, when boiling, condensed, then you will giving different name. In the same prem, love, more and more condensed. That's why we are saying sneha, man, pranay, adhiudo, modan, and mohan, and madhanakka mahabhava. Are this Madhanakka Mahabhava serving Srimati Radhika? Srimati Radhika not only the ordinary girl. We are looking where maybe this. Understand this? So for all the limbs of body of Srimati Radhika, only for the exclusive pleasure for Krishna. They saying in this. From her toenails to her head, hairs, everything is what? Krishna's pleasure. All the activities are Krishna's pleasure. Devi Krishnamai Prakta Radhika Paradevata. This verse, Gautamiya Tantra also. Devi Krishnamai Prakta Radhika Paradevata. Sarva Lakshmai Sarvandi Sarva Kanti. Sanmahini Para. Srimati Radhika is embodied. So, read Grantha, then slowly you understand. So I am saying, only read Grantha, Shastra, then, and chant holy names, and absorb chanting holy names, remembering these things. Then, slowly everything manifest in your heart. Need sadhana bhajan. This is the process. Without sadhana bhajan, nothing. Eating, sleeping, depending and meeting. Animals life. Okay, now 8:30. You have to prepare to go. Now we will go 9:45.
1:45.
Okay, after 1. Okay.
Here, you can give. You can do the driving.